Hi, good morning. Assalamu alaikum. So, myself, Ghulam Qadir, I'm a solution architect. A little bit introduction already shared. I'm a expert in cloud computing, security, big data, AI, cloud native, migrations. So, as we are talking about the digital transformation to the cloud, I can see most of our honorable guests, they are from like government sector, from healthcare, from manufacturing and different industry. So transformation to the cloud is definitely a challenge. And how from Alibaba Cloud we can support this transformation from any environment to the cloud. So I will explain a little bit about our solutions. So, as I mentioned, most of the customers, most of the guests, they are specifically related to the manufacturing, finance, and other industries. So we have a comprehensive ecosystem to learn more about our customers' requirements, what actually their requirement is there, and how different type of challenges the customer they are facing once they deploy their solutions, their requirements on the cloud. So based on our ecosystem, we have a comprehensive solution for infrastructure, for if it is a like BSI type of customers, the payment issues, payment requirements. So we have our own payment gateways. Alipay is a solution for that. We have a comprehensive solution for the retail and the commerce, which we can understand the pain points, the challenges, what different type of customers they are facing while moving towards the cloud technology, and why to transform. Actually, the main challenges is how your services are accessible to the clients. You are delivering any retail or e-commerce solutions. So how effectively your customers are accessing your resources from the cloud environment. How frequently they are able to access all these resources directly from the options which are provided by the customers. So we have our e-commerce solution, we have our own payment gateways, a full e-wallet solution, we have our healthcare solutions available with us, and based on the customer requirements, we can deliver the same to our clients as well. So for example, you are delivering these services across the globe. Some of the customers are in USA, some are in European countries, in China, in Singapore. So how effectively they are accessing all these resources from your environment. So Alibaba Cloud is having a comprehensive infrastructure. So we are delivering our services in more than 200 countries, which covers 29 regions, and physically we have 88 physical data centers across the globe. As you can see, in Asia Pacific, in China, in Middle East, in Europe, and in USA, we are providing a different type of services through our physical data centers. Why Alibaba Cloud will be an option to transform your resources to the cloud environments. Based on the Gartner report, you can see here, infrastructure is a basic layer of any business. If your infrastructure is strong, you can build any type of a huge empire on top of that. So based on this report, you can see the infrastructure, what we are offering, the computing environment, the storage, the network, and the security, which is most important. So we are number one while delivering these services across the globe. And one of our example for the 11 single, as there is a Cyber Monday and Black Friday. In a similar way, we have our own 11 shopping festival, single day festival, where we utilize our own cloud native technology, the full resources in a way the application, the resources are available. And at the same time, we were able to capture 1.7 exabyte of the data in just 24 hours. The infrastructure which we provided to our customers as well. 4 billion order we received at that same time, and in 1 second we were able to capture 596 million order in just 1 second. And Uh, the technology, as we talked about, the infrastructure, the database, the application reliability, the DevOps efficiency, and on top of that, artificial intelligence and other services we are providing from our platform is a core to deliver all these infrastructure to our clients as well. If we're talking about the infrastructure, so we are talking about the top 3 hyperscaler in the world, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Alibaba Cloud. So any type of infrastructure as a service requirement is there. There is a requirement for database deployment, big data, artificial intelligence, or security and network. So we have a comprehensive solution which cover from infrastructure, from virtual machines, from container services, Kubernetes, from supercomputing, high performance computing environment to storage, to the network and database like cloud native database technology which we are providing, which at a specific point of time, hundreds of terabytes of the data can be stored directly into our database platform. A full solution for the big data and artificial intelligence in a way like you have a requirement to do a data warehousing, so we have a solution for that. So this is product portfolio where currently like more than 250 products available on our Alibaba Cloud Console, and we are available in Dubai, in Middle East. So any type of workload, we will be happy to transform your workload directly to Alibaba Cloud. So industry solution, so we are not only talking about the infrastructure. So based on our ecosystem, based on our background, so we are delivering a different type of industry solution which specifically built for the industries itself. Financial services, as I talked about e-wallet solution, if there is a requirement to deploy a full payment solution on the customer environment. So we have a comprehensive end-to-end solution, 𝐄𝐝𝐢𝐭𝐢𝐨𝐧, which is electronically know your customer, onboarding, the whole technological onboarding process will be available. AML, which is anti-money laundering solution is there. Full control of the transaction can be managed by our financial services. Retail, a full B2B, B2C, B2B2C, and a new concept of O2O, which is online to offline. So we are providing this solution to our customer as well. Media and entertainment, if we are talking about like a video online streamings, this solution we are already delivered to a number of customers from our Alibaba Cloud platform. So gaming, Web3, metaverse, we have a full solution. So any type of digital transformation in terms of Web3, in terms of metaverse, we have a full platform, a full infrastructure, a full tools which can support you to deliver a Web3 and a metaverse type of solution, blockchain from our platform. So some of the customers, we already delivering the services. Tmall is there, like AliExpress, you can see here, Daraz, Qianeo, our DingTalk, multiple solutions we already deliver to our customers. On top of that, we are very much closely working with the ESG, carbon neutrality, how to provide a carbon neutrality options to our business, to our customers, so that we can reduce the utilization of carbon and other things. Green data center concept is on our platform for Alibaba Cloud. So this is one screen where you can see like the whole big data and artificial intelligence requirement from any customer size. We can collect the data from different data sources, SQL, NoSQL, or even IoT-enabled devices. Our full data integration tools are available from our platform. Then the storage environment, how using our platform for artificial intelligence, how using the machine learning and deep learning, you can do different type of analytics and statistics directly from our console itself. And after that, if there is a requirement to generate a dynamic dashboard, so we are providing a data visualization tools as well. So in the next slide, like we are providing a full end-to-end digital enabler for the Web3, as this is our future. So most of the customers, most of the people, they are talking about the Web3, the metaverse. So we have an end-to-end solution for a different type of workloads. Either it is a finance industry, 𝐄𝐝𝐢𝐭𝐢𝐨, I talked about mobile testing, container services for the Kubernetes, the gateway for the APIs, sensor analytics, anti-fraud. So number of predefined solutions, tailor-made solutions is available with us. And just it's a subscription base or just ready-to-go solutions which only you need to choose from the console and you are ready to deploy these all different type of options directly from the console, and you can deliver to your customers as well. And in the next slide, a comprehensive, again, overview of the metaverse, like how the infrastructure, how the computation resources from our platform, communication, storage, and a security network will support you to deploy any type of metaverse requirements on Alibaba Cloud Platform as well. And multiple metaverse engines are available with us, which are very much scalable based on the bandwidth, based on the utilization of the resources. It will automatically expand and will give you users like a scenario in a way like they may not face any trouble or any downtime or any issue while accessing these resources from the cloud environment. A virtual world, definitely you can deploy use on top of this metaverse. A combination of physical and a virtual world can be deployed on our metaverse platform, and on top of that you can do, because metaverse, you know, it's a vast field. You can deploy your own spaces. Either it is a requirement for gaming, it is a requirement for e-commerce, it is a requirement for to do marketing for your businesses. So it is based on your business, your ideas, that how you can deploy these services on metaverse platform. So we have an end-to-end solution. So it's only your idea, and all the infrastructure and the baselines are available in Alibaba Cloud Platform, and we can transform your ideas into the digital world, and you will enjoy this transformation from Alibaba Cloud Platform as well. And in the next slide, you can see we talked about some of the containers and the cloud native technology which is available in Alibaba Cloud. Although Kubernetes is a product of Google, but based on this Gartner and Forrester report, we are the leaders in the industry to deliver these Kubernetes services. So in the coming years, 2025, we can see like the volume of this utilization of the Kubernetes will reach up to $8.2 billion US. And as an industry leader in Kubernetes services, in container services, we are delivering, again, end-to-end solutions. So a fully managed service solution for the Kubernetes is available on Alibaba. Simply create your environment and all the basic resources in terms of the observability of your resources, in terms of monitoring of your application, in terms of monitoring of your database, your resources. Everything is available on Alibaba Cloud as a managed resources. So this is a full stack for cloud native application development. You can see there is a requirement of cloud operations. So we have auto scaling, we have like log services, ARMS, which is our application real-time monitoring solutions available, DevOps and security operations requirement. So again, ACR, we are providing our container registry solutions which can directly communicate with your cluster environment, and without security, like a full security features with the image scanning options directly can be accessed through our container registry solution, which can support a full protective environment to deploy any full stack environment on Alibaba. Financial operations, definitely while moving to the cloud, financial is a big things that how you can control your costs. So we are providing a fully managed solution for your costing to deploy this Kubernetes environment on Alibaba as well. AI-based, artificial intelligence-based operations will support you to automatically give you a proper idea about your utilization of the resources as well. So This is a comprehensive, like the basic layer, what different type of computing resources or the container services will be available as a base layer. You can deploy on a public environment, a public cloud, which is alibabacloud.com. If you have a requirement to deploy all these resources on your own premises environment as well, so we are very much flexible to deploy on a private stack as well. And once the stack is available, on top of that, you can deploy your container services. You can deploy all of your basic tools. Either it is related to Apache Kafka, it is related to your deployment of services, deployment of nodes, management of your secrets, management of your SSL certificates, or you want to monitor your resources from the console itself. So everything end-to-end solution is available on Alibaba. On our platform, simply log into the console and you will have an access for all these resources directly when you will deploy a cluster on the console. So this is cloud native observability. Like this is again a fully managed solution. Once you deploy a Kubernetes environment, a lot of challenges that how to monitor different type of services, how to monitor your applications, how to monitor your security, your network. So this is a comprehensive solution with different type of open source tools which directly available in our console. So you can monitor your cloud environment, you can monitor your application, you can like interactive market management options is available. You can define your alerts and you can get a different type of notification based on the utilization. What's are going up and down on your resources directly from the console. It will give you a full idea of your resources utilization. So definitely like once you are planning to move to the cloud, so there are a lot of concerns like how your data will be secured, and how different type of resources will be accessible for the end users and for the administrator of your account as well. So based on our cloud security, we are following almost all different type of ISO certificates, either it is ISO 27000 series, ISO 9000 series is there, PCI DSS to collect the payment online, or GDPR, which is the regulatory authority for the European Union as well. So as we are providing these cloud services across the globe in more than 200 countries, so not only the global certificates, but based on any specific region, specific country, specific area like UAE, or any specific industry for financial regulations, for running the business as a retail and the e-commerce, healthcare, we almost have all different type of certificates available with us. So at any point of time, any customer have a requirement to have a look, like to have an audit on their resources, so we can provide all these services directly from the console itself. As we are talking about the cloud, the digital transformation, some of the resources are already in the on-premises or in any other hyperscalers are available. So how to migrate those resources to the cloud? So always it is, the cloud migration is a painful, the period to migrate the resources from one location to another one. So Alibaba Cloud is providing a very flexible and comprehensive tool to do migration for the data migration. If we are talking about DTS, we called it data transmission services. So it is that much effective tool. Only you need to define the source, where your source is and what is your destination. So the rest of the part is the responsibility of this tool. It will automatically migrate all the data from the source to the destination without any issue, without any problem. And in the recent days, we actually migrated a lot of customers from other hyperscalers to Alibaba Cloud with like a zero downtime. So their business not having any difficulty, there is no downtime on their businesses, and we transform their businesses from their on-premises or other hyperscalers to directly to the cloud environment. And we have a proper mechanism to migrate the resources. Using the assessments, we have a proper system for assessment of all the resources, how we can discover different type of resources from the client side, what are the dependencies are there. So based on those dependencies, based on those discovery, system will automatically give you a full picture, like what current resources are available in your current environment, and how effectively, or using our tool DTS, which is for the database, we have SMC called as server migrations. So using these tools, we can smoothly migrate the databases and the virtual machines and the servers to the cloud environment. And the preparation of the resources and implementation based on the customer requirement, how we can target, how we can initiate the process of the migration. So all like 3 different steps as mentioned in the screen. So we will follow, and a smooth migration can be happen from any environment to the Alibaba Cloud Platform. So this is some of our like information about the cloud migrations. So mainly, like as we are delivering these services, so currently I can proudly share like more than 400 million users who are currently using Alibaba Cloud services across the globe. So you can see some of the industries like e-commerce and retail, financial services, manufacturing, logistic, technology, media and entertainment, a number of well-known brands who are using Alibaba Cloud services. And specifically, if we are talking about our Meta customers, again, retail, Trendyol is there, V-Mart is like e-commerce chain here in Dubai. So we provided end-to-end solutions to them. Dubai Store, Esther, TradeLink, so these are some of the customers who are for the retail. FinTech, we have Matrix, Derive, Colendi. For internet, Yalla, Bottom is on Alibaba Cloud Platform. For gaming, for government and healthcare, we have a number of use cases like which are actually some good examples for our digital transformation from this type of industries to the cloud environment. And that's it. And like you have idea, you have the business, and we have a full infrastructure, we have a full platform, we have a full tools to transform your resources to Alibaba Cloud Platform. So that's it from my side. If you have any question, you want to discuss anything specifically, just because of shortage of time, I'm just trying my best to quickly go through all the solutions and the services which are available. So if you have any question, anything you want to discuss in depth, so we are here, and we can support for your digital transformation to Alibaba Cloud. Thank you.